In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase AI bot memory in Dola AI. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to chats at the bottom left in your app, and you want to open up, of course, your AI bot you want to talk to. So I'm going to tap on AI artist here at the bottom. And in here, of course, if you want to erase AI bot memory, you want to go to the top and you want to tap on the bot's name. So I'm going to go and tap on it up top middle. There we go. And now we have an option in the very top right where you can see the three dots. Tap on them, and from here you can tap on clear chat history. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, it says all your chat history with this bot will be cleared, so just tap on the clear button, and there we go. That's how far you can take it. Now of course you can do this for multiple bots, so I'm gonna go over here and do it for this one as well. So I'm gonna clear chat history, and you'll be able to see that there we go, my chat history has been wiped, and of course the memory has been erased. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.